Simolong and Tita Annabelle.
Oh.
And then, the Queen of the South, Annabelle came also.
Wow!
Nitong nakaraang August 22 ay ipinagdiwang ni Asia's Queen of Song Pilita Corrales ang kanyang 85 taong kaarawan. At nito lang Lunes, August 26, isang masaya at intimate birthday celebration ang pinagsaluhan ng pamilya sa Manila Hotel na dinaluhan ng malalapit nilang kaibigan at mga mahal sa buhay. Present si Eddie Gutierrez na ex ni Pilita kasama pa ang misis nitong si Annabelle Rama. Labis naman ang kaligayahan ng anak nilang si Ramon Christopher nang makitang nagsama muli ang kanyang mga magulang. Ilan din sa mga bisita ay sila Janine Gutierrez kasama ang napapabalitang boyfriend nitong si Jericho Rosales, Martin Nivera, Gary Valenciano, Dulce at marami pang iba. Panoorin ang ilan sa mga bidyong na ibahagi.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our August celebrants. All right, thank you so much. Oh, let's take a group photo, Mom. Here.
Ganda, no? Live band.
Tita, thank you. Let's take a group photo of the August celebrants.
Ganda. In your team?
You
Alright, just one family picture, everyone. Calling the Davao Gutierrez and Feist family. Simolong and Tita Annabelle.
Oh.
And then, the Queen of the South, Annabelle came also.
Wow!
Pilita and I made a movie.
Uh-huh.
Dolphy calls me up, Eddie, meron tayong pelikula. Ako at saka si Nida, ikaw at saka si Pilita. Ano, okay sa'yo? Aba, okay. So the title of the movie was Tiririt ng Maya, Tiririt ng Ibon. Si Pilita ang Maya, ako ang Ibon.
Ikaw ang tiririt.
Malaki ang kinita ng pelikulang yun. Is box office din ang naging tiyan ni Pilita.
Revelation! Ang daming revelation, ah.
At lumabas Ramon Christopher. Gusto ni Pilita, Ramon. Sabi ko, I want Christopher. So, kasi Ramon, Spanish. Christopher, Saint Christopher was my favorite saint. Kasi si Saint Christopher, laging nag-a-abroad, malikot.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Kaya si Monsing naging Ramon Christopher. Pero alam mo, napakaswerte natin, Bilis. Ang dami natin apo. Janine, Jessica, Maxine, Diego. So, we're very happy about all of them.
Roll call.
At si Jackie Lou nagkaroon ng kapatid na lalaki.
Wow!
Salamat! Hindi ako blessa.
So, yun ang naging history namin ni Pilita. And then we did Stop, Look, and Listen. Ako, I'm more of an actor. But when I was in Pilita, I also became a singer. Kasi we were singing together. So, this song is a rock and roll song. My national anthem. Maestro. For show, drink the Gatorade, now go get go.
Yeah! Whoa!
Well, you can do anything, but they hold them all blue sweat shoes. Knock me down, step on my face, stand my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do, but I'll holler over my shoes, but don't you step on my blue sweat shoes. Well, you can do anything, but they hold my blue sweat shoes. Go! Burn my house, my car, my liquor for a good job. With the thing that you wanna do, but over my shoes, don't you step on my blue suede shoes. But you know what the thing that you hold my blue suede shoes. Well, blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes, blue suede shoes, but you can do anything but they all my blue suede shoes.
When the world is unkind and your dreams they need more time, I'll be there for you.
And when the rules we keep breaking and the future is fading, I'll be there for you.
Gary, you're still singing, right?
No more.
Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay, if I'm singing, I have to find music.
So I'll stay up here and talk a bit about this person who I will never forget. The first time I actually laid eyes on him, it was when I was, this is just I'm going to add a story of how crazy this relationship has been. There was one song that I loved, and it was called Somewhere Down the Road. And I bought my minus one in Ulimar pa. Nakaset pa yan. And I went all the way from De La Salle University, all the way to Maryknoll, Marian College now, to sing this one song. And there I was, standing backstage, when all of a sudden, this guy named Martin Rivera starts walking in with all of his minions. And the whole evening, the whole evening had been, wait, hold on now, with his minions. They were all there. Only for me to find out that my sister Gina looked over toward Martin and said, Gary, that's Martin Rivera and his sister Gina. So now it's Martin and Gary, both with sisters named Gina. And I kid you not, that the way I looked at Martin was like this. And why? Because he was also looking at me like that. And he came out before I performed. Mind you, I was the first artist to arrive because I was such a pro. He was just a busy pro, that's why he arrived a little late. But then they came and he had something else to do. So his minions came up to me and said, excuse me, sir, is it okay if Mr. Rivera could go out and come out ahead of you? I said, sure. But in all honesty, when I first heard Martin's voice, I was floored by it. And I think my sister knows how many times I kept repeating the song, Be My Lady, because I couldn't believe, and I was so enamored and hooked on to how he actually performed that song. So then he came out and performed, and I was there watching him, and I have to admit, there was a very deep sense of insecurity when I heard the voice of Martin Rivera, that baritone voice that nobody else today has.
Pressure.
And there he was. His last song, he was, I do this song for you. It's one of my personal favorites, and the song he did was Somewhere Down the Road. Especially arranged for him by Wilmer Flores. And then it was my turn to was so insecure about his performance, special arrangement for him, that my mark somewhere down the road, and people were leaving the venue already.